Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what I have here. I have my old Ridgid shop vac, as you can see right here. And if you're anything like me, when it comes time to replacing the filter, you sometimes forget how to do it. And so I figured I would make this video to help remind myself how it's done and maybe help a few of you out as well. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is just to kind of grab the handles on the sides, and you want to just kind of squeeze them just to bring up the top, just like this. And you can see it's generally a new filter, but I figured I'd just remove it and show you how to replace it. And of course, every time I open these things up, I'm going, well, how do I take this thing out? Pull it, try to twist this little thing, nothing comes out. Well, it's actually much more simple than that. You have, on these filters, this is generally rubber. So it's rubber, and it kind of has these kind of handle features right here. And believe it or not, you just kind of grab this and kind of push in this middle button here and just kind of pop it out. And that's all there is to it. You don't have to unscrew anything or take anything off. You just pop it off. And then when it's time to replace the filter, again, you just you see this little nub right here. You just put it on with the large hole here. Just drop it in just like this, kind of fit it on until you get that kind of centered nub right there. You kind of push it in as far as it goes, and you kind of just push in the middle to get it popped in, and there it is. It is installed. And then you just want to lift up the whole thing. Here's the intake. I usually put the outlet on the opposite side. I align the little handles to these little edges right here, just like that. And then it should just clamp shut, and you're all done. You have replaced the filter. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen, and even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.